Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Ultrabooks on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. MacBook Air M2. The MacBook Air with M2 is a significant evolution in Apple's laptop design philosophy, featuring a sleeker, flatter form factor that breaks away from the traditional wedge shape. The star of the show is the M2 chip, delivering impressive performance and extended battery life. The display boasts vivid visuals, and the return of MagSafe adds a touch of nostalgia. Notably, the upgraded 1080p webcam enhances video conferencing quality, though it resides within a notch. The fanless design contributes to a silent operation, but users engaged in resource-intensive tasks like video editing might encounter limitations. Nevertheless, for everyday computing tasks such as document editing, spreadsheet work, and basic photo editing, the MacBook Air with M2 provides a seamless and efficient experience, aligning with Apple's commitment to refining user interactions. Number 2. MSI G76 Raider. The MSI G76 Raider stands out as an exceptional choice for gamers seeking a laptop that can effectively replace a desktop setup. It boasts formidable performance, featuring top-tier components like the Intel Core i9-11980HK and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. With a generous 17.3-inch display, the laptop offers a bright screen with a remarkable 360 Hz refresh rate, catering to gamers who prioritize smooth gameplay, especially in sports titles like Dota 2 or League of Legends. While the Raider doesn't prioritize thinness, its substantial size accommodates the powerhouse components and ensures robust build quality for the expansive display. For users desiring a more compact alternative, the G76 Raider, an earlier pick for this category, has also received updates with newer components. Number 3. Asus Zenbook Duo 14UX482. Asus has elevated the dual-screen laptop experience with its innovative design. While a more powerful version exists, this laptop stands out for its relatively lightweight build and impressive battery life, lasting over 10.5 hours on a single charge. Despite Windows 10 not inherently supporting dual-screen software, Asus has enhanced the ScreenPad Plus launcher, offering improved functionality with intuitive flicks and drags for easy app navigation on the additional display. For Adobe applications, specialized dial-based software enhances the user experience. The main compromises revolve around keyboard and mouse placement, lacking a wrist rest and potentially feeling cramped. However, for users seeking the dual-screen experience, this Asus laptop represents a cutting-edge choice within match capabilities in the current market. Number 4. HP Pavilion Plus. The HP Pavilion proves that a quality clamshell notebook doesn't necessitate a budget exceeding $1,000. This laptop offers the latest Intel processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an impressive 90 Hz, 2880 by 1800 OLED display. For a more budget-friendly option, users can opt for a configuration with a Core i5, 8 GB of RAM, and a non-OLED screen. Highlighted features of the Pavilion include its excellent port selection, vibrant screen, and robust performance, all at an affordable price point. While the battery life may need improvement, especially with the OLED display, the laptop provides a range of ports, including 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and a microSD card reader. Number 5. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 13.5 stands out as the leading convertible 2-in-1 laptop, showcasing a blend of sophistication and capability. Its feature set includes Thunderbolt, USB Type-C, and USB-A ports, along with a vibrant OLED screen and a high-resolution webcam. The design of the Spectre X360 13.5 remains a standout, exuding maturity and luxury. Tested with a black aluminum finish featuring copper accents, It's also available in silver and blue options. Powered by a 15 watts Intel Core U series processor, the Spectre excels in performance, outpacing a 28 watts rival in benchmarks such as Geekbench and Handbrake. Notably, the stylus, which comes included with the device, cleverly attaches to the side of the display. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.